What up, Winbush here. And today I want to show you guys a quick tip on how you can get cinematic quality out of your renders out of Unreal Engine 5. So I'm inside of Unreal Engine 5 right now. I'm actually going to come down here into my viewport, hit F11, and I'm going to come down here in my content drawer just to open up my sequencer like so. So down here, I don't have anything animated, but I'm just going to show you what you need to click. So I'm going to click on my clipboard, and right here under settings, I'm going to come to Unsave Config. And now most people know how to render out of Unreal Engine 5. If you don't, I do have a tutorial on how to do that. But for this particular setting right here I'm about to show you is easy. It's right here under settings. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to come down here to Gameoverrides. Now, when you have this selected, you should see this box right here. This is Cinematic Quality Settings. Now, this is important to click on, especially if you're working at a lower scalability. So I showed you guys how to actually work faster inside of Unreal in one of my previous tutorials. But just as a quick reminder, if I come over here to settings and I come down here to engine scalability, maybe some people, depending on the spec of your machine, you might be working at low or medium or have a couple of these switched out, just depending on what you're working on. But when it comes time to rendering, it's not going to render it at cinematic quality unless you have this checked on. So if you're working in Epic or Cinematic, it's not going to make a big difference. But this is just a tip to help you guys out if you want to have the best render out of your render there. So hopefully this helped you guys out for people that are asking me how to get the highest possibility resolution out of their renders and the best quality. So again, it's as easy as that. And make sure you go to my channel and look through some of the other previous tutorials that I did to help you guys get jump started in the Unreal Engine 5. And until next time, stay fresh, keep creating, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'll see you soon. Take care.